struggling with prop firms? Let's go. In my lifetime, guys, I've probably had about more than 15 jobs. At the age of 19, I was working in KFC. I've done it all. Door-to-door sales. I've worked for, done CCTV for the police. Pretty much done it all. Now, obviously, trading has been a opportunity in life that has been, quite rewarding, where I've been able to leave my 9 to 5. Well, mine were normally 12-hour shifts, but we call it 9 to 5. Now we're going to be going over entries, so don't worry if you are watching this. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and it's not always about driving Lamborghinis or buying the biggest mansions, but if you're able to quit even your 9 to 5 and so help and support your family, even that's a huge that's success itself, the way I look at it. Right, okay, now without wasting any time, what we're going to be doing over today, guys, is first of all going over the entries, each and every one of these. I'm going to be, oh, by the way, guys, look at this. This was a 1 to 4 that I got today on my 100k account. I was actually doing this live within a group session, and with the other students in the mentorship. Obviously you can see we've changed the name again to the brotherhood, and there's no females in the mentorship, so unfortunately that's but if any female does want to join, you're more than welcome, because I do want to not just this to be full of all I think that there are females in the community itself. We're up to 360 members, growing strong, but there's not a female in the mentorship itself. So yeah, 1 to 4 here. This is with funding pips, and but I called it before and it went all the way to run Euro USD, went all the way to run to 1 to total 1 to 10. But I did call at the beginning of the trade that I do think it's going to hit a certain reach a certain low, and it did. But I did get out a little bit early because of news, and a huge props to one of the students. He's got his third payout, so huge props there, brother. You know who you are, and well, you can see the name anyway, so Nova, more power to you, bro, and everyone else. So yeah, it's been a good trading week. But we just started, really, haven't we? Now, like I mentioned, we're going to be going over every single one of these pretty much, and I'm going to be going over the reason for the zones. I know a lot of you guys are always asking, and I'm going to be also going over entries and what we are exactly looking for with the break and retest. So without wasting any time, now I'm on the bigger time frame, 4 hours. I don't trade gold. I only just showing that break and retest, what I've seen, guys, with my own experience. It works with GJ, Euro USD and gold, and also I'm backtesting US 30 as well. So the strategy that I've it's a bit of a hybrid one. Where is the break and retest? So I am backtesting US 30. We don't want to just stick to one like currency pair, if you want to call it, a trading instrument. I was trading GJ first. It had 10 pip stop loss. 10 pip stop loss. Well, yeah, it had 10 pip stop loss, but it had also 10 pip spread as well. So I was leaving money on the table. So I just decided, okay, let's just move on to look for something else. And so we transitioned over to Euro USD, zero spread, low commissions. So I mean, I'm looking for an average of 1 to 6, and like you can see, this the winning trade actually is on live trade, 1 to 4, but it was able to go to 1 to 7, then eventually 1 to 10. So 1 to 6 is quite comfortably possible Euro USD. Regarding gold is obviously looking very clean as well, very good. And but US 30 is showing more opportunities. So once that's out of the way, I will be looking to show the rest of the students, eventually let's go on to US 30. Obviously keep your strategy the same, just diversify to different trading instruments, simple as. Okay, so for the reason for the zones, right, look at this major level here. We're on the 4-hour time frame, so this has value. And even if we zoom out, we always look at the past, guys. Whenever you want to draw zones, look at the past if you're stuck and you don't know what to draw or where to draw. So first of all, I'll just go over this. Okay, if price was here, we've got this huge resistance created here. Look how clean this is. Touch of the line, key level, breaks above, comes back down. And if we was to go to a smaller time frame, let's even go to the 1 hour. So let's break this down even more. Look at this guys, and I like refining this as we go along. Look at this huge bullish engulfing. You could have even taken your entry at this point and still walked away with a nice 1 to 9. Now, me personally, I know I normally have a big risk to reward. That does not mean, by the way, guys, I have a big losing streak. No, on average, I lose about 2, 3, maximum 4 trades, and my win rate is also part of my edge, but also my risk to reward is and obviously my risk management is part of my huge part of my edge. Now, I know there's a lot of traders out there that have a 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk to reward, and they'll be like, yeah, well, yeah, with the ones who have got the big risk to reward, like look at this, a 1 to 9, right? I stretch this forward, a 1 to 9. Yeah, he's probably losing a lot more trades. Well, I've seen traders out there with the 1-to-2, 1-to-1, and they're losing 4 or 5 trades in a row as well. So why not have, if your strategy allows you to have a bigger risk to reward, why not? Simple as. So if you look at this one here, this is when it gets annoying. So what we'll do is I'm going to go on a smaller time frame. Let's go to the smaller time frame and highlight this. Okay, and clean this up. So engulfing bullish candle, that's your first entry. Now if we zoom out and go back, I'm going to go backwards rather than going, normally I start from the left side. Let's start from here. And another thing what I want to do, guys, like I normally do, I'm going to give the market the benefit of doubt. Let's give it 15%. Let's use a number that we've not used before from the previous videos. By the way, guys, I am going to be thinking of live streaming as well. So we're going to stick to 15% drawdown. This is the drawdown, right? So what we're going to do is, give your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, like and subscribe, guys, and share and leave a comment. I leave a comment, reply to all my comments. So yep, definitely. Okay, so if we come back here, let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's see what opportunities have I mean, look at this. This is clean. Just another one, right? So if I was to even it's not allowing me to go to a small time frame, but if it's a huge, I'm sure there's another engulfing on the small time frame as well, which would have given you a clean entry. But even if you was to enter off this, right, let's see even if you was to take an entry from here, this engulfing candle, let's see what would happen. We allow price to run. Look at this. If I just still 1 to 9 easy. You just got to learn your candlestick patterns as well, right? You got to see what you got to watch out. This is not the exact strategy that I showed my students, by the way, if anyone's thinking. The break and retest that I show has a higher win rate as well, higher probabilities. I mean, look at this long wick rejection, bullish candle, beautiful. Take the entry after the candle forms. You can take it even from here. Still you hit that 1 to 9. Let's just stick to the same time frame actually. Go to the small time frame. Look at this bullish candle here. You can take the entry from here. You still be safe because gold has low spreads anyway. But look at this, price comes down to retest this level. Strong bullish candle here. So let me put that back. So you could have even taken an entry after this candle. Nice 1 to 9. Now obviously look at this, you are going to lose some trades, right? I'm not saying this strategy has a 100% win rate, but the break and retest is most user friendly, more simple, right? Now try it, backtest this with the 4 hours, draw the zones. But I want to refine the zones because I believe I asked in my community tab, what is the one thing you struggle with the most? And everyone said zones. So let's go over this. Let's go over zones as well, because obviously, I mean, we can even work out this. Like, look at this, guys. 1 to 9, 1 to 9. That's 18. Just blown this out of the way. Minus 15% drawdown, right? Let's go over zones. Let's drag these all the way back and see. Look at this. Look for major rejections. Look for major rejections, guys. I obviously refined this even more in the mentorship. Look at, even if I drag this to the back, to the past, they have value. Look at this huge rejection here. Now imagine if I was to even, you know what? Let's drag some of these across. 1 to 9. Look at this. Sure, that's a break. Let's see. Don't want to see. If we go to the small time frame, I'm sure there's, look at that level of rejection. Price comes up. You could have even taken an entry from this one here, and price just gives you a nice 1 to 9. What else is there? We've got a breakout here. Price comes down, rejects the level, continues higher. But so far, I mean, this is a bullish trend now, so I'm looking okay. Perfect. Clone this, bring it back. Look at this, beautiful. Now you're probably thinking, well, there's a bit of consolidation here. right? But look, when the London Open volume comes in, this is when the opportunity was created, right? After UK time 8 a.m. London volume comes in. This is like end of New York session, Asian session. You don't take entries here. So 1 to 9 here. Let's see if there's another opportunity. Let's see what time frame this is. 8 a.m. again. Clone this. How easy this is, guys. Another 1 to 9. Who says you can't get big risk to rewards? I mean, you know, the opportunities are presenting themselves. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit messy. This is 8 a.m. So, you know, let's go through this. Let's say we take a loss here, right? Breakthrough here, not the best. Yeah, not the best. I wouldn't take these entries. Breakthrough again, price comes up. We don't sell at resistance. We don't buy at support. This is not something I would look at. We do get a breakout here, but it doesn't hit the, you know, so it's a loss. What time frame is this? Oh, Asian session. Would not be taking these trades. So I'll remove this. We would take a yeah, market. This would be a no trade day, and then obviously you can take a buy here. Is there an opportunity? No. Again, Asian session, buy opportunity here, but you know what I'm going to do? Let's just leave this, mark this as a loss. I know I've got to put a sell here, just can't be bothered right now. Actually, let's just make it clean. Couldn't be bothered then putting a buy here, but you know, okay, keep the stop loss the same, guys, and the risks. Okay, what stop loss? 380 points I was using, so I'll give it extra points, and we still obviously lose. We get the price as the stop loss. We're out of the trade anyway. Price has already created a breakout. We take the retest, and then boom, 1 to 9. So we lost 2 trades in a row, if we think about it, right? And even benefit of the doubt, guys, I'll even give it 2 more extra losses. Still 1 to 9, boom, 1 to 9. This was Asian session. We don't take the entry there. Super simple, guys. If there's still any confusion, join the Discord. Link is in the description. Come in the mentorship group. Hit me up 1-to-1. If you got any interest of even joining, come and ask. You know, message me, DM me, and we'll see. I will take it from there. Join the brotherhood, or if any females want to join as well, join the sister one. We'll just change the name, but yeah, just come message me. Super simple, most user friendly strategy out there in the world. I personally think the break and retest, super simple for anyone and everyone to understand. Yeah, or even just if you just want to come and say hi, right? I mean, look at this even. Let's see if we got this would be a loss. This would be a loss. Breakthrough here, and then obviously you get the, you know, the rejection of the zone here. So you could even take an entry from this level here, this level, and what level is this? Yeah, still you know, midday. Take an entry 1 to 9. Simple. I haven't even drawn the zones yet. So hope you found value from this video, guys. Hit that like and subscribe, share, comment, whatever you want to do, and yeah, or you know, join the Discord link and come say hi. Hope this provided value. Take care, and I'm out.